What's up, Jackson Wilkie with the Channel Junkies? You're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you a 7-figure real estate marketing strategy that not only I have done, but over 3,642 other students have. And today, because I'm feeling good, I will teach you it 1,000% free. But it comes down to these 4 secret, simple steps that you need to follow. By the end of this video here in a few minutes, you're gonna start getting leads. So let's get into it. So what we'll do in this video is discuss these 4 strategies. And we got this little bonus guide down here. But the first thing that you need to know if you wanna generate real estate leads from YouTube has everything to do with the channel build out. Here's just one of my 13 real estate YouTube channels. And you will notice that I have living in Houston, Texas. And if we go here and hit the switch, I have multiple YouTube channels all across the country. If you've seen a living in YouTube channel, it came from me. Today, I'll teach you exactly how to do it for free. The number one thing that you need to understand when you have a YouTube channel is that it is not about you. It is not about real estate marketing. It is not about updates and market updates and escrow and inspection. It has to do with your city. That is how I came up with the living in system almost 5 years ago. So when they come to your YouTube channel, because they will after they see your videos when I teach you the best videos to shoot here in a little bit, they're gonna wanna know within a fraction of a second, what do I get? I created this. You need to tell them right away that this whole YouTube channel is about living in Houston, Texas. There's new videos every week, and subscribe to learn all about your city. Think about this. When you're driving down the highway at 70 miles an hour and you see that big billboard up there of some real estate agent paying a lot of money, comment if that's you. You have to get that message this quick. Well, when people jump onto YouTube and that whole message is top sales agent, #1 sales agent, sell, 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 then they don't know what your YouTube channel is about. But when our clients get on our channel and it is all about living in Houston or Portland or Idaho or Phoenix or wherever I'm at, they know exactly what they get and they are more likely to subscribe. Number 2, if you come to this channel, you're gonna notice that right away I have this video playing right here.
This will be the ultimate guide to moving, and that was my dog, to Houston, Texas. So
I've got a video on my homepage that when they land there tells them this will be the greatest video about moving to Houston, Texas. So how did I get that video to play? It's in the customization tab. You can put any video that you have uploaded as the first video that is on your YouTube channel. Now, for returning subscribers who have already seen your channel and subscribed, you can actually choose a different video, which is really cool. The other thing that you'll notice is that I do no videos about inspection or escrow or me. It's all about the greatest vlog tours of Houston, popular videos, Houston full vlog tours, living in Houston, moving to Houston. I treat my YouTube channel as the single greatest website ever created for people moving and relocating to Houston, Texas. This again gives them what they want. If they just want neighborhood tours, they have that. If they're moving to Houston, Texas and they're looking for some of the top areas to live, again, I don't steer in any way. I just use lists off niche.com. They have those videos too. But at the end of the day, you have to set up your channel for success, and that means even in the about section, you need to talk about how the channel is all about moving to your city and not all about you. All right, editor. Number 2, why don't we unfuzz that real quick? What type of videos should you be shooting on YouTube? This is what's talked about at every single real estate marketing event, and I will tell you with facts and data what you need to be shooting. And little spoiler alert, don't ever shoot YouTube Shorts. It's the dumbest thing you'll ever do. Now, although it takes a little bit of time and repetition to get your minutes up on your videos, you will notice here that I have a 33-minute video, 21, 29, 32, 21, 25, 19, 31, 19. I shoot longer videos. Everybody in the real estate industry wants to just talk about views and followers and outward-facing metrics, and they close this many homes, and they're selling you BS courses. If you shoot the best long organic videos on YouTube, you will get those thousands or hundreds of thousands of views, but most importantly, they will actually go to buyers and sellers looking to move, relocate, buy, sell homes, and that is how we get thousands and thousands of leads every year from these channels. Again, if we look here, I do have the emails for Seattle, Idaho, Houston, Montana, Reno. I have shot YouTube channels all over and closed over 465 home sales for $7.5 million in gross commissions, and again, taught thousands of agents to do the same. Yesterday, 17, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 11, 11, 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 7, 7, 7, 7. Those are all dates in September continuously that just emails we are receiving from these videos, not including the text messages and the calls that we get. We tend to average with this channel alone 5 to 8 leads a day, and this is people begging to work with us and sometimes getting over 20. Now, when it comes to real estate lead generation, we all know that you have to convert your clients Good thing is we don't. These people give us their life story. They've got budgets of $350,000 to $425,000. Emily, same thing, budget of $500,000. These people are begging to work with us. It turns our conversion rates into 100%. The longer your video is, the more that YouTube will rank it, as long as your average view durations are up and you're not making terrible videos. The longer your videos are, the more that people watch them and they earn your trust. This is why we get novels sometimes when people reach out, or tears. Yes, we've had multiple people call and freak out and cry on the phone that they're even talking with us. Wouldn't that be the dream for your real estate business? Now, the first two are important, but the next two tips that I talk about are everything towards your success. But before I get to those, if you would do me one favor right now, comment down below just yes or no. Do you have a client getting YouTube channel? Yes or no? Now, you might want to see this also before I get in there. We asked just a few of our students who are doing the living in method how many deals they did in year 1 and year 2, and the numbers were shocking. Total commission numbers on just 20 of the agents we talked about: $210,000, $273, $290, $400, $175, $182, $350, $606, $630, $337, $2.2 million. This is money in your pocket, commissions, not sales. We also learned that people who apply the living in method and do it correctly like we teach, they average 6.4 home sales their very first year on YouTube and over 18.3 their next year. There is no real estate marketing plan on planet Earth that works 24/7, 365 organically for you and 3x's to 5x's your business year over year. So now that we know that we need good long videos and never shoot YouTube shorts because, well, it just brings in a bunch of awkward, rare, random traffic that watches weird things and they just want nothing to do with your channel. So just don't do it, no matter how many views you can get from it. We need to figure out when the best time to upload. Again, I will give everything to you with data and facts. So in order to show you when the best time to post your video, we got to show you the data and the facts. That's why I love YouTube, because everything is tracked. So if I go right here to my analytics, first of all, I just want to show you some of the cool numbers. In the last 28 days alone, this YouTube channel has had over 279,000 views, 1,900 subscribers, which are all people moving, relocating, and wanting to buy houses. And I've made almost $2,000, which can pay for editing costs or maybe a couple date nights with the spouse. But what I want to do is go right here to the audience tab, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to really hone in on this right here. People want to guess at when you should upload videos. I use data and I use facts. And the one thing about viewers is that they typically are working during the day. So the darker that the purple is on this screen, the more viewers that you have. And YouTube is really goofy because they say very many of your viewers are on YouTube. I don't know why it says that, but the one thing that I have learned creating 13 YouTube channels across the country and helping thousands and thousands of agents do the same, people work during the day, so nights and weekends are the best. If we take a deeper look, we will notice that Saturdays and Sundays typically have the biggest watch time. So if I were going to be releasing just one video a week like I do for just this Houston channel, I typically release it on a Saturday morning at some point. I am going to get that whole weekend of the most view time that I can get. If I'm doing 2 videos a week or 3 videos a week, which I kind of suggest when you're starting out, just so that you can get the repetitions in and get your channel discovered, I would post videos maybe Tuesday afternoons starting at about 4 or 5 p.m., Thursday afternoons, and then a Saturday morning. So it just depends on how many videos you do. Again, never say you're gonna start with 3 videos a week and then work down to 1. Always start with just 1 video a week and work up to 2 or 3. Because we don't want to just half-ass these videos. If you do a crummy job on the video, nobody watches it and YouTube will not suggest your videos. So you gotta put more effort into one video than just doing a bunch of short videos. All right, I should start charging you for what I'm teaching you right now that can make you a millionaire, just like multiple of our other students. But I'm gonna continue to go and show you number 4 and that little bonus down there. So the 4th one is the type of videos. Again, we get beat over the head no matter what real estate marketing event we go to or whatever post we see on social media that we need to be doing day in the life of a real estate agent, escrow videos, inspection videos. None of that crap works. And I'm not a guy who just sits here and says, it doesn't work. I did hundreds, if not thousands of these videos for 18 months and I got 0 reach outs. It doesn't work. And if your only focus is on views, then continue doing those memes making fun of our clients. But I'm gonna continue generating 10,000 leads a year with my YouTube channels by doing these videos. These ones that you see here, I am actually out in the field and I am doing a YouTube vlog. The B-roll that you're noticing right now, it shows me walking into houses. I have drone footage showing the different areas. What I call these and what I created and what the Channel Junkie logo is, the real estate vlog. I learned with keyword research that people were searching cities and suburbs 10, 12, or even 15 times a month more in YouTube than they are Google. This means that they want to see these areas with their own eyes. So whoever gets out there and shoots the best real estate vlogs, I say king of the vlog is king of the city, they tend to win. So I shoot really long videos, vlog tours using keywords, which are the cities and suburbs, and that helps me to rank #1. And not only that, when I have a very good video that people watch, YouTube starts to recommend my videos to thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, or if not millions of people. This real estate vlog that I did right here has gotten me 374,000 views, 2,500 subs, and made me $3 grand, and it's only 90 days old. The more impressive thing, data and facts again, I have 5.4 million impressions. This means YouTube has recommended my video for free, I don't spend a dime, to over 5 million people. Again, hitting the browse and the suggested features. Yes, they discover me in YouTube search, but when YouTube starts recommending your content like this, that means you got the best videos and you are doing the correct videos. I've never seen an inspection video or an escrow video get more than 17 views. Your clients don't give a shit about it, and if they are, they're already in contract with another real estate agent. Again, leverage the living in method with real estate vlogs. The other video, if you're not wanting to get outside, looks something like this. This video here, if you are relocating to Houston, Texas, watch this. That's a pretty good title, right? If we go in here and actually check the analytics, you will notice this video alone took a little bit of time to go, but it's also got 50,000 views, 500 subs. This has brought in hundreds of leads and millions in real estate sales and $100,000 in GCI. Again, getting almost 700,000 impressions. I can't make this stuff up, guys. YouTube for real estate is the most game-changing real estate marketing technique you will ever find. And a lot of the videos that are bringing in leads every day are 3 years old. That means I don't have to cold call every day, door knock every day just to continue to fill my pipeline. These videos work organically 24/7, 365. And #5, the bonus down there. Wait, don't unfuzz the fuzzy here. I want to keep that. If you are interested in the most copy-paste, step-by-step process that within 20 hours you can literally have your own client get a YouTube channel and not mess up, I have the link to the original YouTube masterclass in the description in the pinned comment. Yes, the very course that has created the living in method, that has created multiple millionaires and over 3,000 students, and every student that has gone through it and followed it step by step averages at least 6.4 home sales per year. That is data and facts as well. Go check out the original YouTube masterclass. There's nothing like it out there, I guarantee it, besides the knockoffs. All right, last but not least, can you beat some of the YouTube channels that are already out there? Absolutely. This is something that I get asked every time. Hey Jackson, there's already 10, 15, 20, or 3 or 5 YouTube channels in my market. I am screwed. Nope, we are seeing YouTube agents go in within a few months and take over the top spot. At the end of the day, if you follow the living in method, you have the best view times, you really work on that metadata and that SEO, and you have the most clickable thumbnails. These are things that I teach in that masterclass. You can outrank anybody. It all comes down to average view duration. So even if I am in your market, you can go and pop a video on top of mine if your video outperforms mine. The other aspect of this is it's not going to happen tomorrow. You do got to put in a little bit of work and effort, but it will pay you the rest of your life. In fact, if I were starting a brand new YouTube channel today in a new market, I would do this. I document exactly what I would do with a brand new channel in this video.